What do you love? If there's something that's special, that's important to you, what would you say it is? What do you love? What do you love to do? Who do you love? What is love?
That's personal information.
And what do you say frightens you most?
Heights.
What makes you laugh?
Funny people.
Funny people like who?
Funny people. Funny people like my friends. Sometimes my family. And sometimes awkward people I've never met.
Okay. Can you share with us what it is that you have in your pocket right now?
I have a set of keys and my wallet.
Is there something special in your wallet?
Not really. Just some cards. A business card that my mother gave me.
Hmm? That is very special.
My school ID and a few dollars.
Oh, very nice. Mm. So, share us, is there something that you really like or that you would say that you love?
Nothing I will say in the front of the camera.
Okay, something simple, something that that would be presentable for or decent enough for us to hear.
I love my country.
That is a beautiful thing to say. And where is your country?
Belize.
Belize. Where is Belize? Is Belize in Central America?
Indeed it is.
Okay. What is your culture, Akil?
I am Garifuna.
It's beautiful. How old are you?
I'm 14 years old.
And you were saying that that height frightens you?
Yes.
Why do you suppose that that is a fear?
Well, the fear that I can't catch myself when if I fall.
Akil Gori, thank you so very much for sharing in a day in the life of.
And thank you for letting me be a part of this. If you'll excuse me, I have to get off of this strange terrain.
Thank you very much.
Good day.